Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to download and install Eclipse step by step. Eclipse is one of the most popular IDEs, especially for Java development. So, if you are a beginner or installing it for the first time, don't worry. I will guide you through the whole process. Let's get started. Okay, my bro. At the first, we should go to any browser if you want. Okay. Now I use the Microsoft Edge browser. Okay. Uh, you should write Eclipse down. Okay. Choose it and download x96. Sorry. Okay, download button. Okay, choose download. You show started download in. Okay, actually I installed it in the last time. Okay, my bro. After you end installing, you go to downloads. You should I am search about Eclipse. Okay, you should uh, click on this button and I will show you how to set up it. Okay, Eclipse installer. Wait for some times. Oh, I am sorry. Okay, if you want if you want to start any program, you should C++ developers, Eclipse IDE for C++ developers, Eclipse IDE embedded C++ developers. If you anyone wants or you want, okay, but I want to Java development. Choose Java development and install in your browser, in your I'm sorry, in your files, partition C or partition D. Okay, you should install, but I am installed it. Now I'll show you how start Eclipse. Okay, my bro, after you ended from install Eclipse in your PC, now as you see my Eclipse downloaded in my desktop application. Okay, now double click on your Eclipse and choose launch button. And wait sometimes. Okay, this an old project. I will do it. Okay, I show you how started a new Java project. Okay, click file and new and Java project. Simple things. Okay, project name, any name as or any name are you want. Okay, I will write memo. No, this is uh, code code yeah, code, and choose finish. As you see, my project, my file will create it, okay, but I don't need it. Yeah, go to source and click and double click in your model, okay. This is I don't need it, okay. You will do X, okay, and uh, okay, and don't need it. I will right click in and new, right click in this on this file, okay, and a new class package. I will choose code, same package name, same source folder name, okay, and the name I will choose Nemo, this my name, and will if you want to public a class, avoid main string arguments, okay, and abstract, okay, finish. This is my true project, okay. I will go to ChatGPT and get a simple project and X and 3 1 minute and copy and save with main and paste. So simple, okay. As you know, as you see, my output is 8, as you see, okay my bro. This is a simple code. It's in the next video I will show you how to learn Java. Java is so simple language. There are many source if you want to learn Java from YouTube, from courses, from Java book. Okay, my bro, you should search and try and try and try. This topic, no, I sorry. Programming is not hard and not complexable. Okay, so easy. And if you want to be a good programmer, you should try to learn to try and learning Java or programming. Okay, my bro. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. And goodbye, my bro.